In this vlog, I eat a piece of broccoli, a man carries a ladder, and I name my favorite shape. Squares.
Good morning, you join me in my office and it is time for a MiniMiner vlog. This is something that I don't do very often. We're going to do one today. It's currently about 5 AM and I literally just woken up, pretty much. That's why my hair's not done. But we have got a very exciting day today. We're going to be doing a very exciting trip to London for a Nintendo event. First look, hands-on, with the new Nintendo Switch 2. And then we're going to be heading over to Shoreditch in London to do an event for Guild. So a Fortnite event that I'm going to be casting with Levin and Frankie and a couple of other people. So should be good fun. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes, what it's like, the journey, and some insider new look footage of the Nintendo Switch 2. Most random vlog ever, I know, but let's get straight into it. Made it to the MSL Centre. We're here, got a coffee. It's pretty cool in here. Like a nice look to it. Chilling, ready for this Nintendo event. But yeah, we're gonna be getting hands-on with the new Nintendo Switch 2. Very excited for that. Don't know how much content we'll be able to get. Probably a lot. I think it's like a content thing. So it's gonna be a very exciting event. So make sure to tune in to the next part of the vlog. The rest of the vlog's gonna be amazing as well. So hope you enjoyed various bits of footage so far. And yeah, we got more coming your way, so let's see what this Nintendo Switch 2 is like, man. I literally got like barely any sleep as well last night. I went to sleep at like 2 AM. Had to wake up at 5. Didn't wake up for my alarm. My alarm just disappeared. My alarm just didn't go off, which was great. So I actually woke up naturally at 5:22. And my alarm was supposed to go off at 5. That was close, because I would have missed everything. I would have woken up at like 11, and then it would have been all over. So yeah, this vlog might have not happened, but luckily we woke up. Meanwhile,
Thank you, thank you. Look at this. They're all clapping. All for me, I'm sure. Hello. Playing a game that I have no idea what it is. What's it called? Yakuza. This is what the controller looks like. Very cool. Buttons on the back. Very nice. I know you made the game effective. Well, now you know.
pilot already.
Yeah, I'm getting pilot. Where's the gun? How do I get
Oh, press Mexico.
Mexico. Super fun event so far, I really enjoyed it. We've got the new game, which is like a gyro mouse game on wheelchairs. It's called, oh hang on, what's it called? Zod Dragon Drive. You basically got to use the mice, or the controllers like mice. And it's got a proper mouse mat and everything, so we'll give that a go. We'll see how it is. Should be fun. Oh yeah.
Right, you guys ready to start match, yeah? Alright.
Got a match going. Is it us versus them?
It is.
Alright. Yeah, well mate, I'm goating at this already. Go in. Straight in, mate, straight in. We lost. It's an absolute disaster, we've lost. What happened? We lost.
Conditions weren't right, it's a bit windy today.
It was a bit.
I think there's a bit of rain as well, and I had slippery gloves.
I think there was some cheating going on. We actually have our opponent coming up right now.
Screen looking.
There's our winner right there. Mate, you cheated.
This is a lifetime achievement. I could beat you
It's
that game.
It's not good. It's not good, but you beat us by a lot as well.
No, yeah, 3-pointer. That's what I thought. I'll say that. I didn't think I scored that.
Absolute disaster. I was rubbish at that. Kept spinning around, but it was fun.
Oh, I'd like that as a photo.
Look at that. That is a new profile picture right there. Look at us. Look at that. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Winners. Champs. Finally won something. Let's go. We're about to play Mario Kart Battle Royale. Yeah, let's go. This is Mario Kart Battle Royale. Yo, yo, yo. This is the winner right here. This is the winner.
The winner?
The winner, yeah, this is the winner.
I only take winners.
Oh, really? This is the winning section right here. I like it. It's not bad. I was well done. Great work. Great work. It was the height. No, it was perfect. It was perfect. I needed a height to get me through it.
Yeah, you know, that's what we're here for.
I'll take that. 4th place. That was clutch. Got like a nice sort of. Well, actually, how do you? Oh, like that. Very cool. Magna.
Do you play Fortnite?
Yeah, I played it once or twice. Yeah. Some say I play it a little bit too much, actually. That's the thing. This event's been really cool. I really enjoyed it. I don't usually do these sort of things and go to these sort of cool showcases of new games and new consoles, but it's been really fun. I'm about to head out now. We've got to go to the Sky Guild Gaming Center to check out what they got going on there. Got a broadcast, which should be fun. But that was the exclusive look at the Nintendo Switch 2. I didn't get to play all the games, but there's still a bunch that you can still play. GameCube games as well, which is very cool. But I really enjoyed that, so might go get lunch. So So the vlog continues. This is only the beginning. We've got more exciting action coming up. Show, lunch, then home. Got a goodie bag as well. What's going to be in it? Who knows? Lots of cool stuff. We'll check it out. Yo, what's up? It's MiniMiner from the future. I've realized I forgot to show you guys what was in the goodie bag, so you'll probably want to see. This is what's inside. So here's the goodie bag. There it is, right there. Nintendo Switch 2. Lovely mug, actually. Very cool. What else is in there? I opened that out of the box already. There's also a Nintendo Switch 2 book thing, notepad, with squares. There's also a bottle of some sort. Let me open it. That's what it looks like. Very cool. Very nice. Little goodie bag bottle. Can't go wrong with a goodie bag bottle. I've got some up there, actually. FNCS, TikTok. They're all up there. Right, pen. There you go. Pen. It's with Nintendo Switch 2. It's all Nintendo Switch 2 branded stuff, which is very cool. Nintendo Switch 2 sticky notes. Very cool. And finally, I think, Nintendo Switch 2 lanyard in there. And that's it. Very cool. Not a Nintendo Switch 2, which would have been surprising. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the vlog. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today. Absolutely beautiful in London. As you can see, the sun's shining, 20 degrees. I'm about to head to what's called Farmer J. Natalia, one of the mods, suggested that I try it out. So Natalia, if you're watching this, I'm trying it. We're giving it a go. So I head in there now, see what it's like. Give it a whirl and give you a full review. Let's have a look what's inside. I went for some options. They didn't have everything that I wanted, but we went for some pretty good options, I reckon. Got the steak, rice. Pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'll show you guys. There you go, Farmer J. And I also got this drink. Passion fruit and raspberry. Sparkling. Oh, didn't know it was sparkling. Ah well, that'll be fine. Bit of steak, bit of rice, broccoli, salad. It's good. Alright, we've got it. Let's try the drink first. Drink. There we go. Passion fruit, raspberry. Pretty good, actually. Tastes pretty good. I like it. The drink was good. Now it's time for the food. Let's see what broccoli tastes like. It tastes like broccoli, but it's good broccoli. Now we got the salad. It's good, they got them like cheese on it. There's like some sort of cheese on there as well, a bit of avocado. We'll give that a whirl. I'm the worst vlogger ever. Cheers. It's good. Now the steak. Let's have a look. It's good, you know. It's good. Rice tastes like rice. You know what? This is good because it all tastes as it's supposed to taste, which can't always be said for foods these days. So you know what? The rice tastes like rice, the steak tastes like steak, the salad tastes like salad. This all together was like £16 something. It's not cheap, but you know what? Natalia's cooked. Natalia's cooked. Not literally, unless she has. Unless she works there, who knows? You don't get a much better review than a finished meal. Still got this drink, but it was good. I recommend. It also looks like they source their food locally as well. They source it sort of in the UK, or a lot of it. So major pluses on that side of things as well. That's not me. I couldn't actually tell there was roadworks or buildings going on there because they put that those very nice leaves there, and it covers the entire construction site. It's almost like it's not even there. Right, so Farmer J done, eaten, consumed, recommended as well, to add to it. Now it's time for the second leg of this vlog, the second part, if you like. I'm heading over to the Sky Guild Gaming Centre to cast their event for them. $50,000 Fortnite tournament, super excited for it. So that's where we're heading right now. So, never been here before. Excited to check it out, see what it's like. What the set looks like. Table football, look at these. That's so cool. Sky. Amazing. That's what we're looking like here.
Yeah, it's us. We're in this room up here, 11. Super excited here for the Lobby League featuring Fortnite. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. But we are very excited for this competition today. We're very excited to cast along the action as well. We need to know though, what are these players playing for? Let's go back to Frankie in the desk. Kind of like the humble approach personally. I kind of like, I like it. I like this sort of thing. You know what? We'll sit back, we'll stay chill, we'll stay calm, we'll stay humble, because then I think it's almost a bit of reverse psychology. The other team are going to think, Harry's team, they're just not really too concerned about this. But I do know for a fact that Harry's team have been grinding themselves. In this competition. I know Ruby's been grinding it as well, as a sort of team IGL in that sort of situation, so I definitely don't think they're going to be backing down anytime soon.
And that's a wrap, the show's over. It's Friday night in London. I'm not a partier tonight because I will be heading back home. That was a good show. Took a while. I'm really, really tired. Didn't get too much sleep and it was a long day, but that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, behind the scenes. I know I couldn't get ready too much of behind the scenes, but got a little bit, so I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll be back with more vlogs soon, hopefully. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you soon.